Hi, this is Becky with Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today we're going to do a broken marbled look on a sail. And we're going to make it out of candy melts, and I used Wilton's white candy melts and their black candy melts, and I made them probably in 30-second intervals in my silicone bowl, but however you want to melt them. I'm placing it on a silicone mat today, but you can also use a sheet of wax paper if you don't have a silicone mat. Either work. But first I'm going to place quite a bit of white, and then I'm going to do a little bit of the black. And I'm going to kind of pipe on the black when I do the black. I'm just put it in a pastry bag and pipe it on, but you could also just place it on with a spoon or something. I just thought it would be easier for what I was going for. So I'm making it long enough so that I can fold it when I'm done. Just gonna place all the black here and there, a little bit everywhere, and then grab a skewer or spoon or something and slowly kind of just move it around. You don't want to blend it all in because you are going for the marbled look. So I'm going to swirl it in certain areas to kind of give it marbled, because I want some gray in there and I want some black lines. And so just move it on around through that, and then I'm going to get out my black gel food coloring. It's Super Black by Americolor. I'm going to add a couple of drops of that in there as well, and then I'll move it around a little more. We get it the way we want. We're going to grab it from the bottom and the top, and we're going to fold it over a little, and we're going to use something to clip it in place. Any kind of clip, or I'm going to use a clothespin will do, and we're just going to clip it right there, and that'll be the first section. And then we're just going to repeat that process and do it a second time over here and clip that, and then we're going to pop it in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and then it's nice and hard, and then you can just peel it off from there like this. You want to slowly peel the silicone away from the candy melt decoration. And if you like that look, you can go ahead and stick it right into your cake. But since we're going for a broken marble look, I want to use my sharp knife, and I'm going to use a blowtorch to heat it up so it's hotter. And I'm going to go ahead and cut into my candy melt mold so that I have more sharp edges, so it looks more like a broken marble. And once we're done getting it the way we want, we're going to get out a little bit of black food dye and paint the tops just to accent the fact that it looks like a broken wall. And so I'm just going to go around and apply it with my Wilton paintbrush all along the top. And then I'm going to get out my edible silver diamond dust by the Sugar Art store. I'm just going to sprinkle that all along the top and let it settle into what I've just painted on top. Next, I want to apply just a few silver flakes to add some more interest to the piece. And I'm going to do that by first getting my candy melt, and I'm going to melt just a little more of the white candy melt and just paint on certain spots with my Wilton food paintbrush. And then since we have somewhere for the flakes to stick to, we can just apply them right to that. Once our piece is done, I'm going to knock off just a little bit of the excess glitter just by tapping it off, and now I'm going to put it in my cake. My cake is thawed. It was in the fridge for a little bit so I could put on the buttercream around the sides. Now that it's been out, it is soft enough that I can press this down right into the cake. That's how you make the candy melt sail to look marbled and like a broken marble wall. And if you want to see how I did the cake marbling with buttercream, go check out the other video that I made on marbling with buttercream. Thanks for watching.